Hi, welcome to SharePoint World. Today we will see how to fix the PnP issue. So the problem is whenever we are importing SP object from PnP SP, we are getting an issue like module PnP/SP has no exported member. So we'll see how we can fix this. So first we will create one SPFx solution. So here I will create a new folder. PnP. So we will run our SharePoint generator. So the web part is created successfully. So now we will redirect our Visual Studio Code. So just open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now we need to install the PnP package. So let me install the PnP package. So before that, we are just opening our PnP web.ts file. So let me install the PnP. So to install the PnP library, we have to put npm install @pnp/sp --save. Okay, so the PnP package is successfully installed. Now we will go to our TS file and we will try to import the PnP. So import. So here we can see their module PnP SP has no exported member. So why this error is happened? Because if we go to the package.json file, we are using the latest package version 3. So in the PnP JS version 3, SP and graph object have been deprecated and we need to replace by new object SP5 and graph F5. For graph F5 is for graph and SPFi for SP. So in our case we will change to SP5. So here you can see the error is solved. So now I will show you how we can use this one. By using the SP5, we will try to do some SharePoint operation. So what is the plan? Like we will go to the site content. Okay, we will create a new list. So we'll try to add a item to the new list. So let me create a new list. So we'll create a new list like employee. We'll create. So it's fine. We need only title. So our plan is like we will put one text box and one button. So whenever the user click on the button, the text box item means the employee name will be saved into the list. So we'll try with the PnP how we can do. Also one more thing. If you want to search here PnP version 2 to version 3 transition, so you can see the PnP site here. So here they mention completely the gate, how the version 2 to version 3 transition. So just go through it for your reference. So now we will try to the SharePoint. So let me create a solution. So for that purpose, first I need to remove all the content. We need only the text box and the button. So we'll remove, fully added. Okay, so we have added the text box and the button. So now we will bind the on click event to this button submit So let me just add that. Bind click. So in the bind click, we are adding the event listener to the button submit. And on the click, we are adding the add list item. So now we need to create the function. So here we will utilize the PnP in the add list item section. So what we have to do is like, we will create a stringless function. So private async. So we will put the function name add list item. Now here we have to utilize the SP file. So to connect with the SharePoint, we need some more items like for the list, for the verb and the context object. So we are importing. So we have imported all the dependencies, verb, list and items. So now we will go to our function add list item. So now here we will create one constant value sp equal to, then we have to utilize the object which we return from here. So for that sp file using, we have to retrieve the context. So using SPFx dot context. So after that we have to, using the SP, we have to connect to our SharePoint list. So for that we have to use average sp dot verb dot lists dot get by title, and here we have to provide our list name. So in our list the name is employee. So let me just copy the employee. We are pasting here. Dot we need to add. So for items dot add. So now we have to update the field title. So just update title. I have added the title like document.getElement by ID. We are retrieving the employee name from the text box. Okay, so we are almost done with the coding. So now we will check and we will run. So let me save this one. So we'll go to the command prompt. We will build. So build. Before that, one more thing. So we have to update the serve.jsn part. So in the config, so whenever we need to run, because in the latest version it will not run in the local workbench. So we have to provide our SharePoint site. So let me just open our SharePoint site. Just copy the URL. Okay, so now we'll go to the. So once the service is completed, we will go to the SharePoint workbench. So let me refresh. So we will add the verb part. So PnP. So now we will try and name John, add employee. So we'll check the SharePoint list. So the name is successfully added.